Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about tables. Now, up until now we've used heading tags to write headings. We used image tags to put images. We used A tags to insert links in text as well as images. We put horizontal lines. We put line breaks in between so that there's spaces. We've made specific text, bold and italic. Now in this video and in our next couple videos I am going to be talking about tables. Now, as I have said in the previous video, tables were the main source of formatting your website back 10-15 years ago. I've actually went to look at web.archive.org, which keeps an archive of loads of different websites back in 1990 whatever up until now, and this is an image of, not an image, this is the website of University of York in 1991. You can see that there's the title image, and here you can see tables. The table formats are done in a neat way so that it doesn't really look like tables, but then this could be a table, this could be a table, this could be a table, and so on. And if we look at the york.ac.uk, the University of York website now, it's really neat because HTML, CSS and JavaScript has improved significantly over the 2013 minus 1991 over 14 years, like so. But table is still a big thing in HTML, and I personally want a table in my sushi site. Can you see the dog? Can you hear the dog barking? It's a dog of my neighbour's. It's annoying. It freaks me out at night when it barks. I have to keep the windows open, but it's open now. Okay, ignoring the dog. Hopefully you'll ignore it too, if you can hear it. Below my answer to the question what is sushi, I want a table displaying my favorite sushi as a list. It could be said as a list, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Basically, I want a table to show my favorite sushis. I could have an image inserted in them. I could, yeah. Now let's go to excuse me, a main.html, and let's create a space in between the answer and the body end tag. Now tables, you start the table thing with a table tag. Table, give it some space, and end it with a table end tag. Now what you do is, because table has a row going horizontally and a column which goes diagonally, I think that's the right way around. Basically, we have this TR tag, which stands for table row. Now let's close this TR tag, and inside this TR tag, I'll indent it once so that it's easy to see. We put another tag called table data. Now TD, which stands for table data. There we go. Now inside this TD is where we are going to write our actual text data that wants to get displayed. TR just says that this is TR1, and when we have a next TR at the bottom, this is going to be on the next row. Yeah, so let's type in I don't know, how could I do this? I could just write salmon, and I put in another TD, and I could write tuna. No, I could actually write a reason here, because it's why do I like salmon? Because it's juicy, is that a word? No, because it's my English sucks when it comes to these I should take a note of why I like salmon. Because it's orange. It's orange, that's why I like salmon. Cool. So we have a table with 2 data in 1 row. Now let's go down a bit and write another tr. Give it some space and close it. Now inside this next tr, we will do another table data and another td. Bang, there we go. And what do I like next? I like tuna. Why do I like tuna? Because I accidentally deleted the less than, the combination of tuna, and this is too long. Why do I like tuna? Because it's grey. There, that's it. So now we have a table with 2 rows, 2 datas in each. Now I'll save this, Ctrl S, and let's reload. There we go. We have a table which is salmon, it's orange, and tuna, it's grey. But this doesn't look like a table, does it? Because there's no borders to it. Now by default there is no borders in the table tag in HTML, and we need to add them. So let's go back to our main.html, and inside our table tag, the start tag, not the end tag, at the start tag we are going to insert an attribute. Guess what the attribute is, because we need to add a border to it. Yes, it's called border. And just like width and height attributes, they're going to be an equal sign and a double quote, and inside it we're going to specify the thickness of the border. Let's type 1 and save it, and let's reload. There we go. We have a simple table which has the types of sushi I like on the left and the reason on the right. So we have 2, let's bring out my, there. So we have our first table row tag, and inside it we have 2 datas. Our first row we have salmon and it's orange, and on our second one we have tuna and it's grey, like so. That's it. This was a tutorial on how to make a simple table in HTML with borders. In my next tutorial I will be talking about table headers and so on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.